Okay, so the first exercise for lab video 8 is practicing dropping the bow. So you're gonna want to put your instrument up like so, and the key to practicing dropping the bow is finding the correct part of the bow that you want to practice this in. Now you want to try it first. Start trying to drop the bow at different points. The closer you get to the frog, um, the more your weight of your hand has an impact on how the bow is going to drop, and the closer you get to the tip, the less control you would have in dropping the bow and then eventually turning that into a spiccato. So the best place to practice dropping the bow is going to be close to that balance point on your bow, and that's different from everyone's bow. Okay, the next exercise is dribbling. So when you practice dribbling, you want to start with the dropping the bow motion, and then eventually turn it into a spiccato motion. So the dribbling is going to be the vertical motion of the bow, and then when you turn it into spiccato, you're gonna add the horizontal. Okay. So for the next exercise, we're gonna practice détaché to spiccato. Um, so for détaché, you don't want to be moving the whole arm. You want to it's kind of more of a motion with the upper arm that you want to practice the détaché in, and then you want to turn that into a spiccato without changing the motion of your arm. So we'll do 8 of each, alternating. That is détaché to spiccato. Um, the next exercise is action 1 in chapter 13, and that is practicing how to get the bite sound in a martelé stroke, or getting the bite sound when you're practicing how to achieve the martelé stroke. So just like on an open string, you want to place your bow and kind of apply pressure enough so that you're not hearing a sound, you're more so just wiggling the string back and forth. And the crunchy sound that you'll hear is good. That means that you're gripping the string enough. And then once you've applied enough pressure, again, you want to grip the string enough, apply pressure to the string with the bow, and then release. Again, grip, and then release. And action 2 is the martelé to spiccato stroke. Staccato stroke. So you want to again grip the string, press the hair close to the balance point of the string, and so practicing that in the second exercise, you'll have a and obviously when practicing that, you can decide whatever tempo you'd like to go at. So you can do it in a quick motion, like a quarter, or you could do to practice these types of strokes. Um, Chapter 13 gives some examples like Old MacDonald and Jingle Bells. Um, so, just as an example, I'll play the first two measures of each. So for Old MacDonald, I'll play that again. And then in Jingle Bells, the first two measures. Yes. So that is how you achieve the martelli staccato stroke in a piece.